koala tree. We live for adventure in both the mountains and the city. Our products enhance your outdoor experience, offer comfort and style, all with an eco-minded approach. Introducing the Camper Hooded Jacket. The camper jacket stands out as one of the most lightweight and packable puffy jackets of its kind. Insulated and water resistant, the camper jacket helps you be prepared for any situation. Whether you are in the backcountry or just headed to work, the camper jacket has you covered. Zippered pockets keep your items secure, perfect for traveling and adventure. An interior side pouch is perfect for holding larger items. With a headphone port built into the pocket, you can easily access your phone and enjoy your music hassle-free. The camper jacket also stuffs into its own pocket, so it's easy to take with you anywhere, and even functions as a small portable pillow. Equipped with elastic pull strings, Velcro wrist straps, and fluffy insulation, the jacket locks in your body heat to keep you warm. With multiple colorways available, there's a camper down to fit any style. With the help of our backers, we have launched some of our favorite and best-selling products to date. With your support, we are able to design, create, and continue to offer high-quality gear to the masses. Please back, share our project, and be a happy camper.
About a year ago, we were spending our summer in the beautiful Mediterranean coast, but we started to see a common problem, that most beaches were littered every day with all sorts of plastic, cans, cigarette butts, and even... ew. Disgusting, right? We began researching with what could be done with all this single-use plastic. Surprisingly, the amount of alternatives were huge, but we wanted to create something useful for the things we love doing the most. And we decided to create the all-terrain travel short. A short packed with features. It will be your best ally for this, and even... Wait. Is that an iPhone in his pocket? Now you don't have to worry. We have developed a waterproof anti-theft pocket, waterproof up to 100 feet. The ideal feature to store your valuables dry and completely safe. We use a patented technology that seals the pocket with neomagnets, the fastest and most convenient way to store your valuables. You won't need to carry one of these waterproof bags anymore. Your phone, wallet, or passport safe in just seconds with an instant snap. But really, the travel short is really amazing. It's water repellent. It's super breathable, keeping moisture away from the body. It has a comfortable elastic waistband for a perfect fit. Because it repels water, it dries faster than regular fabric. It has a waterproof pocket with auto-lock technology, and it's built to last a lifetime. But most importantly, it's made from 100% recycled polyester, which once was plastic waste. We found a way to take all the plastic we collected from the coastal areas and turn it into high-quality, 100% recycled polyester thread, all through a controlled and traceable process where the plastic is collected, separated, and washed, crushed into small pieces, melted into pellets, and processed into high-quality thread. We tested the fabric countless times to make sure that the consistency and properties were great. All of this was done saving 20% of water usage, 40% in energy savings, and reducing CO2 emissions by 50%. We forgot to tell you something. We wanted to produce the all-terrain travel short the most ethical way possible, continuing to reduce our carbon footprint and empowering close-by communities. This is why we decided to produce them in a small family-owned shop in Oporto, Portugal, owned by Irene and his son, which together combine years of experience in the sustainable fashion. After many prototypes, we have it, the all-terrain travel short. We're all ready to go. We've collected over 1,000 pounds of plastic waste, which is ready to be recycled. But we need your support to make this project a reality. Back us now and receive your all-terrain travel short at an amazing discount, and help us make this world a better place.
Wouldn't it be great if there were socks that don't stink, are easy to organize, minimalistic and wearable for almost every occasion, and your feet are not cold or too warm?
Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, the founder of One Merino. Our goal was to create the world's best travel and business socks, and here we are now.
These socks follow you everywhere, and they simply don't stink. No joke. You can wear them several days in a row without washing. And that is not because of chemicals or silver. No, the main material is this natural high-tech yarn.
These little fellows here produce this high-tech yarn. Yeah, actually merino wool grows on their back.
Merino wool is antibacterial and has a built-in climate regulation. It is used in sportswear by athletes all over the world. So we bring merino wool into your everyday athlete routine. You wake up in the morning, you put on your socks, you go to work. You have a meeting, you put on your fancy shoes. You put on your sports shoes. You change your shoes again. You have a beer with your friends. You go to sleep and your socks are still fresh. And that is not only our experience. The One Merino sock has been used by over 100 testers in all imaginable activities since 9 months. And the feedback we got was overwhelming. Everybody asked for more socks. They all loved the features. For example, when you pack for your next trip, no matter if it's for business, camping, backpacking or festival. Let's say you're gone for a week. You only need 1 pair of socks. And all the other stuff, of course. But you get the point. And they're super easy to organize. Simply pick them out of your sock chaos. You recognize them by the red color. Or build up a new collection to recognize them even better. The day will come that even merino socks like some refreshment. So simply hang them out for an hour or overnight and they will feel like out of the washer.